Start.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Maitreyee. I'm a pediatric dentist practicing in Pune. I think I'm going to start with a story. Imagine that you are somebody who always in love with mountains. You buy an entire mountaineering gear for yourself. You go up the mountain, but you do not know how to climb it. You do not know how to use your gear. Exactly something similar has happened with me with lasers. Despite of having attended a very basic course years ago, I was very excited about it. I think this is always going to make me happy. But how do I use it? How do I put it into practice? How am I actually supposed to make sure that everything's running smoothly with it? These were some questions that always bothered me until I came across Alana sir's fellowship course. And it's taught me so many things. Like, it's actually expanded my wisdom, it's expanded my knowledge, and I think I've had the freedom to ask him so many questions. He's been very kind enough to show a lot of clinical cases to us. He's let us operate hands-on with all the types of lasers that he has. He's also helped a lot explaining us what is more feasible in day-to-day practice, how to handle various type of cases, how to actually speak to the parents and deal with these cases. So I don't think anything else could have helped me much more than Sir's course. So I definitely recommend it to everybody who wants to expand their knowledge with an advanced proficiency in the use of laser. It is highly recommended. It's definitely going to make you a confident practitioner when it comes to laser. You would be somebody who would be able to talk about it when asked about it. You wouldn't be somebody who's just heard about lasers and wants to be the market that, yes, I have learned lasers. You also know how to use them. And that was extremely important. So thank you, sir. Thank you the entire team at the dental home who's been extremely gracious and helped us organize everything the past 3 days. This was wonderful and highly recommended. Thank you so much.